Hello guys, today we'll talk about a new phone. This phone is Tecno Pova 5G Pro with a back of a light and a camera-supported AI and a large battery and a quick charger and a big night sir. But before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1. The body. The body measures 168.5 by 76.5 by 9 millimeters, and the phone weighs 212 grams and back made from plastic. Number 2. The screen. The screen here is IPS LCD display with a size of 6.78 inches and a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, 84.7% screen to body ratio, and come with refresh rate 120 Hz, no lag in phone experience, and brightness reach to 580 nits. And his back have LED lights in different 5 shapes. Use incoming calls, notifications, charging, games, startup, music, low battery. Every mode has its unique lighting pattern. Number 3. The processor. It is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 6 nanometer. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, Ultra, and same thing as in a game Call of Duty and other games with best games experience. With touch sampling rate 240 Hz and can play 6 straight hours, and the stereo speakers here are described as sounding quite pleasant, clear, and loud. The phone has a front-facing camera with 16MP, 2 rear-facing cameras with 50MP main camera and 0.08MP depth. Take beautiful pictures by this camera, and you can change your images by AI. Record video 2K 30 frames per second whether in the front or back camera. Battery. The battery size is 5000 mAh with charger 68W. Charge 50% in 15 minutes, 100% in 45 minutes only. The capacity storage of this phone 256 GB and 8 GB RAM. You can increase your RAM another 8 GB RAM if you have enough storage. The price of Tecno Pova 5G Pro phone is $170. You will find the purchase link in description. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.